Here at UpKeep, we are empowering maintenance teams to revolutionize their businesses.
During this season of gratitude, we wanted to thank you, our champions in maintenance, for supporting and sustaining our world.
Buildings don't exist without those who lay the bricks.
So for every technician,
maintenance planner,
property manager,
janitor,
supervisor,
facilities leader,
mechanic or reliability engineer,
we appreciate you.
You are in every industry.
Properties,
cities,
small businesses,
nonprofits,
hotels,
parks,
manufacturing,
agriculture,
machinery,
gyms,
recreation centers,
parking lots,
buildings,
apartments,
and many more.
Only 1% of venture capital is spent building solutions for the deskless workforce. Yet 80% of the workforce is not sitting at a desk.
Today and every day we celebrate you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for keeping the world running and investing your time in maintenance.